Hey everyone, welcome back. In this quick guide, I'm going to show you how to add clickable images in Google Sites. If you want a picture that opens a link when someone taps it, yeah, this is the simplest way to do it, so let's jump right in. First, open your Google site, either a blank one or, any site you're already working on. Now, look over on the right side and click Insert, then choose Images, and pick whether you want to upload a photo or select one from your drive. Give it a second to appear on the page. All right, once the image is sitting on your page, click it one time. You'll see a small toolbar pop up. Hit the little chain link icon, the link button right above the image. In the box that opens, type or paste the link you want the image to send people to. It could be a website, a form, a document, pretty much anything. Then press apply. You can resize the image, move it around, or center it, whatever fits your layout. The link stays attached, so don't worry about losing it while moving things around. Before publishing, hit Preview at the top. Click the image to make sure the link opens the way you want. If it works here, it'll work for your visitors too. And finally, when everything looks good, press Publish in the upper right corner. Your clickable image is now live, and that's really all you need to do. So that's how you add a clickable image in Google Sites. If this helped you out, go ahead and subscribe for more quick guides like this. Thanks for watching.